I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Oh, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but wait, take a picture.
Eating everything to get no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. We passed it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
Tonight, I'm chillin' on the west side. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides, on the low, no location. I don't want this thing to get faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you in the tight. Cause they won't tell, cause they're tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You best friend who decides to on the low.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not, it's advertised. This got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Hope you're all good. Got some random stuff here that I want us to unbox together, so let's go. This necklace I bought it from Makola, 30 CDs. This one too. This one was a gift. Shower gel and perfume. So let's open it. Let's unbox it together. Okay. So pretty. Shower cream. This is a perfume. Oh yeah. Alright. I bought this one too from Makola. 60 CDs. What again is here? Yeah. For exfoliating and bathing. I bought this one. I bought 2 shades. One for 20 Ghana CDs. Yeah. Let's try them in. Let's try this one first. Is it nice? Is it eating? Alright, let's go to the second one. It's eats on me, right? Yeah. Hair clip. Alright, we have this one. What's in here? It's beauty, yeah, okay. So pretty. More earrings. This cute. Rings. And what is here, baby? Okay. Bracelets. Silver bracelets. I don't have Samsung. I bought this one. Those earrings. This. Yeah. I've already opened this perfume. Got the scent in here. Chef's kiss. Let's still try it here for you guys to see. Smells so good. So good. And we have this one too. I've already unboxed this too, but I have to show it to you guys. So feminine. So combine these two together. Forget it. And this one, we are unboxing it together here. Let's see. The packaging is so nice. Luxury, baby, luxury. You know that this thing will smell good. Seduction. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help your girl grow. I'm back for more. Bye bye.